how to add password to your Wix website, or how to add password to your entire Wix website at once. Once on your Wix editor page, I want you to go over to the top left hand corner and you're going to select settings. After selecting settings, from there you're going to see the option site password. You're going to tap on that. Then you're going to tap on password holders and you're going to create a password for your site. So for example, let me create a password. Then you're going to tap on save. Now that you have created your password, if we were to select publish in the top right hand corner. Now after we have published the site, if it is a case that we were to view the site, so let's say we were to select view site, you can see right here that the site is now password protected. So I would need to enter in the password to get access to the site. And that's how you'll be able to set a password for your Wix website. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative.